It's day 70. Oh my gosh, day 70? Wow, have we come this far? I'm telling you, it is a blessing. You're welcome to my YouTube monetization journey. Wow, wow, wow. It's day 70 already. And I was just wondering, this just looks like a dream, right? I mean, this was just like yesterday when I just got that message that you're now eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is awesome. This is awesome. And that just shows that little drops of water make a mighty ocean. Within a short space of time, you begin to get a lot of traction. You begin to increase in what you're doing. I'm telling you, this is really good. It's a blessing. So I just want to quickly walk you through my statistics, and I want to also show you my documentation, my documentation technique on what I'm doing to document all the monies that come in daily. And the reason why I do that is so that I can track to know how I'm increasing every day and what happens when I don't post and what happens when I post a video. All right, so let's go. Now, currently we have 2,422 subscribers. That's beautiful. Wow, that's interesting. And then we have 18,500 views, and we've got 958 watch hours in the past 28 days. Now, these are all statistics for the past 28 days, right? So as you can see, the subscribers within the last 28 days is 264, while the estimated revenue is $23.54. But let me take you to where you actually want to see, right? What is the amount of, income that we've made in the past, since this channel began? Well, you can see here, we've got $58.81 on day 70 after being monetized. That's beautiful. Yeah, so let me go ahead and show you my own technique to documenting, my income, the revenue that comes in. I think I'm committed to try and do this at least for 100 days, just so that I can get what exactly it's really like, and I'll be able to project and begin to expect and predict what the outcomes might be. So let me take you in there quickly into my WhatsApp. Okay, yeah, so now this is what I call YT earnings. Okay, that's YouTube, of course. YT is YouTube. Okay, and I started from day one. Day one was 24th of April when I got monetized, when I got the message that I was monetized, so that's like the day. And then the following day we made that, which is actually, that was day zero. Then April 25th was day one, and the first amount of money we made was 87 cents. Now, the first couple of days I was just documenting the amount. Then later I thought, oh, it would be good, to add what the increments by which it was going up. Right. So you can see that I put out, the amount. So you can see that day one was 87 cents. Day two was $1.67. Day three, $2.32, and all of that. So let me go to where it shows the increments. Okay, you can see up all of these. And then I think I started talking about the increments from when was that? I think it was from day 11. Yes. So from day 11, I started adding what the amounts were, how much it was increasing by every day. And you can see that day 11, it started by increasing by 54 cents. Don't forget that I was posting every day. All right. So it started going up to like about 54 cents in addition every day. Then of course to 68 cents, after a while to 70. It was just growing gradually. It got to a point it was 99 cents on day 14. That was the addition, right? I did a bit of experiment, but on seeing what I could do, like a boost. But I just decided after the results that I wasn't going to boost again. I just wanted to get organic reach, and that's what I have stuck to so far. Right, so you can see how it is. You can see May 10th, it increased by $1.62. You can see it actually just varies because it's estimated. All right, you can see the range: $1.54, $1.30. Can you see how it's going? So it's an average of almost like $1.30 every month, every day. Some days, if I don't post, like you can see here, it goes back to like 50 cents. Yeah, it does. You can see how it is. So I noticed, right? So let me just slide down. You can see all of this, day 26. Wow, this is hard work, documenting every day, right? Sometimes there was a time that I just saw that a chunk of money just went down. I'm like, what's going on? I had to just keep on documenting it like that. Right? So, and this is the work you have to do. The reason why I'm doing this is so I can show you what to do, so you can at least have a track on what is going on in your channel. So I've been able to establish a pattern. So where are we now? We're at day day 70. Yeah. So it varies, it fluctuates depending on if you are posting or not. When I post, I think it's like an average of over $1, right? And then when I don't post, I see an average of like maybe 50 cents. Now, currently, don't forget that your earnings, your revenue is determined by your location, right? It's determined by your location. And why is it like that? Let's go to the analytics. Most of the third world countries, they don't pay well, right? Okay, the age range, then it shows the gender, the geography. You can see we have most people from Nigeria, followed by Ghana, Russia, and all of those. So most of these countries, their RPM isn't really great, right? Especially Nigeria's RPM is not that great. India's RPM too is not that great, but it's something, being able to put content together and you're appreciated. So these are the things that, determine how much you get per view, per video. And I also have tried to find out like an average, okay? Which of my videos, let me put this in public so that we'll see it. Now, which of my videos tend to get a lot of views and maybe get paid? Like most of the time, I find that inter-exchange arbitrage gets a lot of views and also gets paid higher, right? So I'm trying to say, okay, if I can do more of this content. But the truth of the matter is that you still have to mix your content. You don't want to make your content just one way direction, right? You want to mix it and come up with different opportunities so that people will be able to see like a mix and match and then be able to make a choice of different array of things that you offer on your channel. Anyways, this is just like a quick, update on what we have done so far. This is day 70. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm just trying to put together more videos. What I've tried to do right now is to see how I can batch record, every week, like within maybe one particular day. I just choose a day to just do a lot of recordings, take a lot of trades, and there's just try and, edit and get everything set and then start posting. I hope you've learned something. Please let me know if you have any comments in the chat, right? Do you have any concerns? Do you have any challenges with your channel? You can just let me know in the comments. I'll be willing to answer. And if maybe, hopefully, I could actually come on live and answer these questions maybe soon. But if not, I'll be able to answer it in the chat. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe so you can get daily tips on how you, daily or weekly, whichever way it goes, whether it's once in 3 days or once in a week or once in a day, so that you can get updates on what to do on your channel and what I am doing. This is my own journey. It's my own monetization journey. I hope to, come up with more channels, give you, my own ideas on how you should run a channel and how you should go ahead to make, money from the channel, all right? Because it's not only YouTube monetization, right? You can also create your course. You can, like I have a course, right? And people can buy that. You can create a lead magnet and people can come into your DM and they can chat with you. So there are other ways in which you can make money apart from the YouTube AdSense. But this is just actually interesting. Just having an opportunity to create content and people are watching and you're being paid by YouTube. That is phenomenal. Anyways, thank you once again for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.